Hey everyone, welcome back to Robby Hobby. I'm your host Robby, and today we have got something super special lined up for you. We are diving into the world of delicious Indian cuisine with none other than the famous Aloo Paratha. And here we started our day with delicious cream cheese bagel, and followed by lunch. Archie had his turkey sub and I had my cheese sub sandwich. And guess what? We have got a fantastic treat for you today. Our Michelin star restaurant chef, sort of, is here again to show us how to make his mouth-watering aloo paratha from scratch.
For his famous
Let's get started. Alright, here's what you will need for this scrumptious recipe. We have got 4 cups of wheat flour,
and then
2 teaspoons of salt, 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil,
and a few tablespoons of olive oil.
Ready? Let's start by mixing these ingredients together. Add the salt and oil to the flour and then slowly add water while kneading the dough. We want to make a nice soft dough that's easy to work with. Look at that perfect consistency. Now for the fun part, the filling. We have got 4 medium to large boiled potatoes here. Mash them up until they are nice and smooth. To this, we'll add 1 small chopped onion, a few chopped green chilies, and some fresh coriander leaves. Don't forget to add salt to taste. We are also adding 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Mix it all together until it's well combined. That's going to be one flavorful filling. Next up, we roll out our dough and stuff it with that delicious potato mixture. Roll it into a nice round shape and get ready for the pan. Heat up your flat pan and cook the paratha on both sides using a bit of ghee or butter. Serve your aloo paratha with a dollop of butter or a side of yogurt, and you have got yourself a mouth-watering meal.
Hello, Mr. Archie. Ready for my parathas? Also peanut chutney. Why are you so quiet actually?
Just give me phone with Rasu. Another phone, my brother's son, then see. They want to start for second.
Huh?
Is that true? When Vasu and Archie on the phone, they are not start.
I want to see that.
कैसा लगा? दिल्ली का पराठा, दिल्ली का पराठा खा रहे। वो वहाँ पे जो ना, वो स्पाइस थोड़ा कम लगा। नहीं मेरे को ठीक।
यहाँ पर भी आया हुआ आपको बेटा। मजा आया? आप इसके बाद नहीं खाओगे क्या?
After enjoying this amazing meal, Chef sort of took us for a fun ride in his brand new Volvo.
Jugal, Archie, Saurabh, and me. It's nice, Saurabh. Tell me something about this car.
Yeah, just
Turn right
Oh,
on
it's
New
a
Jersey
Volvo.
36
and subconsciously I always wanted to get a Volvo.
It's a nice car. Has a nice reputation.
So whenever I used to go to home from my restaurant, there was a Volvo showroom.
Oh, in
I
India.
always look at it.
How do you like it, Archie? Feels nice, yeah.
Continue on New Jersey
The best part I like about this is this panoramic sunroof.
Oh, nice. And has a full sun panoramic sunroof. Nice panoramic sunroof and moonroof.
We headed to a nearby park and lake to unwind and enjoy the beautiful
This is the
day.
one I like.
And that's how we wrapped up our day,
मैं भी देख रहा था ऐसा
with great food and even better company.
in 1,000 feet, slide left.
मस्त है ये।
Continue straight. Head northwest. In 1,000 feet, turn right.
Stop the hero.
रुकना है थोड़ी देर
तो
Turn left.
कोई देख नहीं रहा तो चलेगा
नहीं चलेगा रुकना है यहाँ पे कैमरे लगा रहता है बिल्कुल मुझे भी नहीं।
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and ring the bell for notification on our latest contents. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure. Until next time, keep cooking and stay happy. See you in the next video.